Hi, today we will turn a simple handwriting of the villa into a rendering. I know my handwriting is not good, but that's the point. You don't need to be a professional in this field. I use PromAI.com for this project. First, we must upload our handwriting. After that, we set our render engine and our style, and can choose from them. And after that, we must write a prompt like modern villa, full form of it, and something like that. It's true, it's not what I want, but I change render engine and my styles to reach what I want. Let's see, it's okay, I think, for start. Now we can use edit tool to reach our goals. As you see, we have many problems in this render, and we try to fix it. With a brush tool and with a quick prompt, we can change or remove that part of the design you don't like it, or you want to change that. And you keep going until you reach the final design. You can even add an object or character into your design. I just choose a place and write here swimming. As you see, the place of the pool is not correct. I won't fix that. In the same way, we continue to edit the design. I think it's good enough for schematic design from this to this. As you see, we have many problems in this design, but I told you it's just schematic design. And with a better handwriting and spending more time, we can get a better results. And I just use the free version of this AI. Anyway, it's amazing.